Hello, beautiful friends. Thank you for joining me here at the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This is your third eye reading for Saturdays. I always do them on Saturdays, and I do the other chakras on their respective day of each week. We will be taking a card today from the Sacred Geometry deck, and also one to represent the Galactic Chakra from the Secret Language of Light deck. Our question for this batch of cards is, how can I be focused, determined, and receive guidance to realize my full potential? Our first card is Piercing the Veil, Self-Awareness, Seeking Wisdom. There are passages and veils through which shamans and visionaries transcend personal limitations and pierce through outmoded thought forms. It is by purity of purpose and by the ability to focus intentions that this becomes possible. This shaman holds a bundle of arrows representing the strength of the peaceful warrior. He is surrounded by blue flames that burn away ego. Powerful pie flower geometry aids him in his interdimensional quest. This is a demanding pursuit that will require the visionary to be conscious and vigilant. As he pierces veils of illusion, he gains self-awareness and access to insight and wisdom beyond the conventional. This card suggests that you are in quest of greater understanding of your life path. Imagine that you travel with the shaman into the geometry and into your own pursuit of self-awareness. Gaze past the veils of ego and delusion. Let it be your intention to move beyond these limitations and into your own personal truth. Courageously step forward and pursue the way of wisdom. The next card to join this last message is Wellness. Tune into your body. You are entering a time when your body will become stronger. If you have been or are sick, you are on your way to feeling better. Begin to focus on a sense of well-being. If you are healthy, you will be inspired to strengthen your body through yoga or another form of exercise. Your body is enlightened and knows how to heal itself. Every feeling, be it pain, butterflies, excitement, or love, is a message from one part of the self to another. Tune in to your body through meditation and ask what you can do to improve your well-being. Behind the human in the image is the flower of life symbol that represents the process of creation. It is made up of overlapping circles that are repeating expression of the first circle. It is a geometric metaphor reminding us that the nature of life is continual expansion. Your body takes you everywhere you go, so acknowledge, thank, and love it. I do appreciate you joining me today. Please tune in tomorrow. I will be doing the crown chakra reading before we begin a new cycle on Monday with the root chakra again. So this message tomorrow will conclude this week's worth of messages. Stay blessed, everyone, and in great peace.